For UK visit visa in 2026, what you need to be careful of. It is very important that you explain your financial ties. When it comes to the bank statement, you need to provide explanation. You need to provide the evidence. For example, if you are relying upon the self-employment, you need to provide the evidence with regards to your business, and then from your business you need to pay yourself consistent salary. When it comes to proving the familial ties with the home country, you need to provide the family registration certificates. You need to provide the evidence with regards to, you can also provide the photos, you can provide the letters from the family in order to confirm your familial ties with the home country. Then when it comes to the property ties, same, you need to provide the property registration documents. If you own the property, if you rent the property, then the rental agreement. It's not the documents from the sponsor. Most of the weightage is given to the document provided by the applicant and how applicant has established their strong ties with the home country. Most of the refusals that we see is because the applicant from the home country, they have not provided the evidence in order to back up the statements. So it is very important that you do provide justification, evidence with all the statements that you are making in the application form or in the cover letter. Because when you get a refusal, for example, then you don't have the right of appeal, you don't have the right of administrative review as well. The only option then which is left to you is to challenge the decision in pre-action protocol. So it is always advisable to make a strong application at the very first place. Explain your financial ties, explain your familial ties, provide the evidence for that, explain your property ties, provide the evidence for that. And also when it comes to purpose of the visit, your purpose of the visit should be genuine as well. And then you need to explain, for example, if you are coming to the UK for 7 days, how much money you will be spending, where you will get that money from. If your sponsor is providing, then you need to get the statutory declaration from the sponsor as well to confirm that. So it is very important when it comes to the UK visit application, you apply it correctly. If you want to avail our services, you can reach out to us on our provided contact number. We will share the checklist of the documents with you which you need to provide, and then therefore we will proceed. And we will make sure that you get your visa at the very first place instead of getting a refusal, because we have seen lots of refusals when people apply independently without getting the proper advice. So always get the proper advice before making the visa application. It is not an easy application. You have to explain all the things. You have to explain why you want to visit, why you will be going back, what strong ties you have to the home country. So if you are in the situation, you can reach out to us and therefore we can help you draft a strong application. If you have received a refusal where you have applied independently yourself previously, you can reach out to us with the refusal letter and we can see if there are any options to challenge the decision through pre-action protocol. Our contact details are down below. See you soon. Thank you.